Now, on 60-second booze reviews, Lyme Bay Rhubarb Mead. So, for those of you who don't know, Lyme Bay are a little winery based in Devon, which is in South England. Really nice little winery. They do lots of fruit wines, lots of mead. They do sack mead in particular, which is sweet mead. So this one they've got is a melomel, which is a fruit flavoured mead flavoured with rhubarb. I think this is fantastic. It has a really good balance between the rhubarb and the honey flavour. You kind of get both at the same time. It's similar to rhubarb and custard sweet, but instead of custard you've got honey. I think this is great for mixing. It works really well with lemonade, prosecco, soda, so if you want it as a long drink, or you can just have it on its own. If you like sweeter drinks, you can have just a glass of this chilled from the fridge or over ice. Fantastic. I think it's a very good show of a traditional sweet melomel. That rhubarb flavour comes through. Rhubarb can be quite bitter, especially if it's fresh. This one you get a nice candied rhubarb flavour, so great for summer and great for long drinks.